Alright, so we're gonna vlog now. Here we go. So it's been about 2 months since I've uploaded a video. So the major contributing factor is that we had to move unexpectedly. Here is the old house. Here's the new house. And this was my old workshop. And this is the new workshop. So with me, this lady, and these dudes, we packed up our house, we had it moved, we had to unpack. Almost everything's unpacked now except for this, the new basement workshop. It's been a little bit harder finding time to work on the workspace, but I've put up some shelves and I'm working on getting up the pegboard walls, and hopefully we'll be making new videos soon. Oh, and the other motivating factor for this last week or two is our air conditioner stopped working. So it's been very hot at the house, which has kind of killed my motivation to work on stuff in the house. It's been so hot. Thankfully it's cooled down and the AC will be fixed soon. So look forward to some new videos soon, and I'll check you next time.